In one of my previous videos, someone commented and requested a tutorial on how to create an EVD typography logo. So in today's video, I'm going to fulfill that request and show you step by step how to design a clean and modern EVD logo in Photoshop. First of all, open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. Now select the Type tool from the toolbar and type the letters EVD. Use the font shown on the screen. You can download this font from the link in the description. Once the text is typed and aligned properly, right-click on the text layer and choose Rasterize Type. This will allow us to edit each letter freely. Now select the rectangular marquee tool. Make a selection around the letter D. Then right-click and choose Layer via Cut. Again, make a selection around the letter V. Right-click and choose Layer via Cut. Now each letter, E, V, and D, is on a separate layer, which gives us full control over the design. Select the V layer. Press Ctrl+T to activate Free Transform and slightly increase its size to give it more visual weight. Now select the Rectangle tool, choose black color, and make sure the stroke is set to none. Draw a rectangle to visually merge the E and V letters together. Adjust the position and bring the V closer to the E to create a strong connection between the letters. Select the rectangular marquee tool again. Make a selection on the E layer, exactly like shown on the screen. Now select the eraser tool and carefully erase the selected part. This step helps in creating a custom typography cut, making the logo more unique and professional. Now select the D layer. Using the rectangular marquee tool, make a selection on the D letter. Again, select the eraser tool and erase the selected portion to match the typography style of the logo. After that, move the D layer closer to the E and V, maintaining proper spacing and balance. Select the rectangle tool once more. Draw a black rectangle to merge the D and V letters together. Make sure the outline is disabled. This step helps in creating a solid, connected typography logo. Now create a new layer. Select the ellipse tool, hold the Shift key, and draw a perfect circle. Place this circle exactly at the center of the D letter to add a clean design detail. Create another new layer. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle as shown. Adjust its size and position properly. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate it, then press Ctrl plus T to resize and reposition the copied shape. Once everything looks perfect, hide the background layer. Now select the top layer. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E to merge all visible layers into one. Press Ctrl plus C to copy the final logo. Now open the logo mockup file. You can download this mockup from the link in the description. Double-click on the Smart Object layer to open it in a new window. Press Ctrl plus V to paste your logo. Hide the background layer, then save and close the Smart Object window. Once you return to the main mockup file, you'll see your logo perfectly applied. And there you go. Your EVD typography logo is complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future Photoshop tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.